Now, students, whenever Kezia thinks about her father, she feels that she is thinking about a giant. She visualizes her father as a giant, especially when he yawns. Now, students, here you can see how a little girl imagines her father just because of fear. Okay, now let us see what happened next. On Sunday afternoon, Kezia's grandmother sent her into the drawing room to spend time with her parents and students. When Kezia enters the drawing room, she finds her mother busy in reading and her father sleeping. Kezia feels a bit neglected. Now, students, one day she remains indoor as she gets a cold. Her grandmother advises her, "Why don't you make a gift for your father's birthday next week?" Now, let's see what happened. Now, children, then Kezia's grandmother gives her a piece of yellow silk fabric to stitch a pin cushion for him. Kezia stitches a beautiful pin cushion, but she does not find anything for stuffing. As she saw her grandmother is out in the garden, she goes to her mother's bedroom in search of some stuff. There she finds sheets of paper in which her father had written an important speech. Then let us see, students, what happens next. Now, students, she unknowingly tears them into pieces and stuffs into the cushion and stitches it. Now, here you can see how she tear them all and started to stitch. When her father comes home and gets to know about his important papers, he punishes her by hitting the palms of her hand with a ruler for tearing up his speech. Now, students, let us see what happened next. Now, this incident further alienates Kezia's from her father. Alienates means to be aligned, means separate. Okay. Now, let us see what happened next. She often watches her neighbor, that is Mr. McDonald, playing joyously with his 5 children in their lawn. She thinks that Mr. McDonald is a loving father to his children. Now, students, Kezia wonders that he might be a different sort of a father. And then one day her mother falls ill and is taken to a hospital by her grandmother, and Kezia is left alone at home under the care of their cook Alice. Now, students, as Kezia goes to bed, Alice removes her socks and warns her, "Do not scream and wake your father up." At night, Kezia has a nightmare now, and she wakes up screaming. When she calls her grandmother for help, she finds her father standing by her bedside. He picks her up and takes her to the bedroom. Now, her father tucks her up in his bed and soon falls asleep. She feels the beating of her loving father's heart and realizes that her poor big father is very loving and caring and has a generous heart. Now, students, let us see what is the moral of this story. The moral of this short story, The Little Girl, by Catherine Mansfield, is that parents should not be indifferent to their children. They should show their love towards their children even when they are too tired from work and do not have time for them. This is because display of love helps in creating a lovable and nurturing environment for the balanced growth of children. Further, parents should not be over disciplined and hit their children for small mistakes. Such insensitive behavior can disrupt the normal development of the child and result in shuttering. So students, with this we have completed your chapter number 3 of Beehive textbook. And students, along with this video you will be getting PDF, and in that PDF you will be getting summary and question answers of the same. So you are supposed to write down those summaries and question and answers in your notebook along with the moral of the story. Till then, take care, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.